bowl, a pretty big bowl like this one. Alright, then next we need a half a cup butter. And then a half cup margarine.
After mixing well, add 3/4 of a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla.
After mixing the mixture really good, you have to add 2 1/4 cups of flour and 2 eggs. Make sure it's all in there or it's going to taste pretty weird. After mixing well, you need to add 1 bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Mix again and then add the rest of the bag.
Mix good though, you're going to have a big clump of chocolate chips. And then add the rest of the bag. Make sure there's none stuck in there. Alright, next you will proceed putting the cookie batter onto the sheet. While putting the cookie batter onto the sheet, you want it to be spread apart evenly so the cookies don't make a big clump like a big cookie. And you want them to each have about the same amount of batter in each one.
Like Chef Kelly said, you do not want to have them very close together or you'll have one big cake of cookies. This is very good. I can't wait till they cook. And see, we have them all spread apart and almost equal.
Yes, like all the chefs said, don't put them way too close together, and if you have too much or too little, just move it to the next one or the one closest to it. And don't make too big of a cookie or too small a cookie. And don't stack them up on top of each other because then you made a really big mess. And don't put too many on one sheet. Alright, when you're finished putting the cookies onto the sheets, you need to bring your cookie sheet over to the oven and you need to cook it to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit.